Spectacular, golf view, single level, complete renovation, 3 bedrooms, den, 3.5 baths, 1 car garage. Enjoy the luxury lifestyle this impressive residence has to offer. Beamed ceilings with recessed lighting, skylights and crown molding. French doors to open patio. Hardwood flooring throughout interior living area, kitchen, dining area and den. Powder room and foyer area. Kitchen boasts large center island with extra storage and breakfast bar, stainless appliances and extra beverage fridge. Large laundry room with pantry and bar. Each bedroom has a bath. Master bedroom with dual vanities, private water closet and large walk-in closet. French doors to den just off living area, built-in desk and storage. Fine attention to detail throughout. Impact glass. Plantation shutters. New air conditioner handler. Mandatory membership. Quail Ridge is a private, member-owned community.